Hello, my name is Mario Romano. I am the Director of Engineer for the Alfresco Process Service and one of the architects for the digital business platform. Today, I'll give you an introduction of what is the Alfresco Process Service and how to use it to automate all the operations inside your organization. Behind me, I draw an architectural diagram that will help me to explain all the parts of our system. On the top of the diagram, we have the visual tooling. This section is divided in three subsections: App Designer, End Users, and SysOps Admin Tools. On the left side, inside the App Designers, we have all the tools that helps you to create process definitions, forms, and also data that will flow inside your process. And the end result of each of these tools is a standard artifact that you can import in any other tools that support the same standards that we support inside our tool, such as BPMN and DMN. Inside the end user section, we have all the tools that helps your user to create tasks, get tasks done, also to share documents between them. We also offer an analytics tool that helps you to understand what are the performance of your process and do adjustment based on those analytics. And in the end, we offer also more important to you and way to do a customization of the user experience through a tool that is called ADF. If you want to know more about ADF, the Application Development Framework, watch the video in the series. In the end, we have the SysOps administration tools that is really meant for the admin of your infrastructure. And this tool is the tool that those administrators will use to manage different environments such as development, staging, and production, but also to troubleshoot your tasks and process when they get stuck or you want to change something. The process service has its own security system, which is based on OAuth and SSO. You can also plug in inside the process service any identity system which is already inside your organization, such as LDAP, Active Directory, or also Kerberos. We have a role-based access control, which allows us to understand who are the users that have access to the system and what they are doing. With these informations, we build an audit log that you can reuse to understand what the users are doing inside your service. We also offer the capability to extend our security system with Spring Security and plug in any security system you want to have inside your process service. And in the end, we offer a whitelist system that allows you to control any script your developers will write in the low-code environment. All the process engine services are exposed through the Java or the REST APIs. You can also extend the logic of our process engine using listeners and Java Delegate. All these integration points offer an easy way to integrate our process engine inside your architecture or build solutions on top of it. The process service is the main access point to all the services inside our engine. Using it, you can have access to things like task service. Using the task service, you can create task or complete task. Or you can even have access to the decision service, which allows you to gather information that you have collected inside your process and comes to a conclusion. Or you can even have access to the query event service, which exposes all the historical information inside the service. And we also expose to the process service the repository service, which allows you to manipulate the deployment of your application of your process definition. And we expose also the form service, which is the service which exposes the data of your form. Using those data, you can start a process or complete a task. And then we have the runtime service, which is the service that actually executes your process. All these services are lightweight and also are stateless. So this makes our process engine stable and reliable. The stateless process engine uses a DB storage to store all the information about the execution of your process. We support the most common DB storage like MySQL, Oracle, Postgres, MySQL servers, and Aurora for cloud deployment. If you take a look at the data layer, we also support analytics and search use case, and to do so, we use Elasticsearch. Developers can use custom logic to create their own custom reports. And in the end, we store all the files and the data of your process on a file system or optionally on S3. You can even configure your process to store those informations inside the content service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I invite you to download the Alfresco process service and get started.